For Part B of Chapter 9, I would like to look at creating copy in electronic media. In front of you, you see a script which resembles a two-column list. On the left side, speakers' names are arranged vertically, along with descriptions of any sound effects and music, and the right column contains the dialogue called the audio. Copywriters first need to understand radio's strengths and weaknesses. Radio provides entertainment or news to listeners who are busy doing something else, driving, washing dishes, reading the paper, or even studying. To get attention, an advertising message must be catchy, interesting, and unforgettable. Radio listeners usually decide within 5 to 8 seconds if they're going to listen. To attract and hold attention, radio copy must be intrusive. One of the great challenges for radio copywriters is making the script fit the time slot. The delivery changes for different types of commercials, so writers must read the script out loud for timing. Radio writing has to be clearer than any other kind of copywriting. For example, the listener can't refer back, as in print, to find an antecedent for a pronoun. Likewise, the English language is so full of homonyms, which are words that sound like other words, that one can easily confuse the meaning of a sentence. Think about whose versus who. Radio's basic two-column script format also works for television, but in a TV script, the left side is titled video, and the right side audio. The video column describes the visuals and production, camera angles, action, scenery, and stage directions. The audio column lists the spoken copy, sound effects, and music. Broadcast commercials must be believable and relevant. Even humorous commercials must exude quality in their creation and production to imply the product's quality. Let's look at developing the artistic concept. Creating the concept for a radio or TV commercial is similar to creating the concept for print ads. The first step is to determine the big idea. Then the art director or copywriter must decide what commercial format to use. Should a celebrity present the message, or should the ad dramatize the product's benefits with a semi-fictional story? The next step is to create a script containing the necessary copy or dialogue, plus a basic description of any music, sound effects, and or camera views. In both radio and TV, the art director assists the copywriter in script development, but in television, artistic development is much more extensive. Using the TV script, the art director creates a series of storyboard roughs to present the artistic approach, the action sequences, and the style of the commercial. The oldest and simplest type of radio or TV commercial is probably the easiest to write, and that's the straight announcement. One person, usually a radio or TV announcer, delivers the sales message. Music may play in the background. Straight announcements are popular because they're adaptable to almost any product or situation. In radio, a straight announcement can also be designed as an integrated commercial. That is, it can be woven into a show or tailored to the style of a given program. The presenter commercial uses one person or character to present the product and carry the sales message. Some presenters are celebrities. Others may be experts, such as corporate officers or professionals, or they may be actors playing a role. A man on the street may interview real people and get them to share their thoughts about a client's products or services. And of course, a presenter doesn't have to be a real person. Remember Tony the Tiger? The true testimonial, where a satisfied user tells how effective the product is, can be highly credible in both TV and radio advertising. Celebrities may gain attention, but they must be believable and not distract from the product. Satisfied customers are the best source for testimonials because their sincerity is usually persuasive. Television is uniquely suited to visual demonstrations, and a demonstration convinces an audience better and faster than a spoken message. Products may be demonstrated in use, in competition, or before and after. These techniques help viewers visualize how the products will perform for them. The musical commercials or jingles we hear on radio and TV are among the best and worst ad messages produced. Done well, they can bring enormous success, well beyond the average non-musical commercial. Done poorly, they can waste the advertising budget and annoy audiences beyond belief. A commercial that dramatizes a real-life situation is called a slice of life. It usually starts with just plain folks played by professional actors discussing some problem or issue. Often the situation deals with a problem of a personal nature: bad breath, loose dentures, dandruff, body odor, or yellow laundry. A relative or coworker drops the hint, the product is tried, and the next scene shows the result: a happier, cleaner, more fragrant person off with a new date. The drama always concludes with a positive outcome. Such commercials can get attention and create interest, even though they're often irritating to viewers and hated by copywriters. The key to effective slice-of-life commercials is simplicity. The ad should concentrate on one compelling product benefit and make it memorable. Often, a mnemonic device, which is a technique that helps you remember something, can dramatize the benefit and trigger instant recall. To present the user rather than the product, advertisers may use the lifestyle technique. For example, Diesel pitches its denim to urbanites by showing characters working and playing while wearing its latest line. Likewise, beer and soft drink advertisers frequently target their messages to active, outdoorsy young people, focusing on who drinks the brand rather than on specific product advantages. Cartoons, puppet characters, and demonstrations with computer-generated graphics are animation techniques for communicating difficult messages and reaching specialized markets, such as children. The way aspirin or other medications affect the human system is difficult to explain. Animated pictures of headaches or depression can simplify the subject and make a benefit demonstration clear and understandable. Once the basic script is completed, the art director must turn the video portion of the script into real images. This is done with a storyboard, a sheet pre-printed with a series of 8 to 20 blank windows or frames in the shape of TV screens. Below each frame is a room to place the text of the commercial, including the sound effects and camera views. The storyboard works much like a comic strip. To supplement the storyboard or pre-test a concept, a commercial may be taped in rough form using amateur talent as actors. Or an animatic may be shot, which is a film strip of the sketches in the storyboard, accompanied by the audio portion of the commercial synchronized on tape. Effectively designed websites help visitors find the information they need quickly and efficiently. Information is easy to find because the layout of the site matches closely with the scanning pattern commonly observed among web page readers: 2 quick horizontal scans across the top, followed by a downward vertical scan. Think of a pattern that resembles an F. Alright, let's think more about writing for the web. The purpose of a banner ad is to bring internet users to a website rather than the one they intended to visit. Designers should keep in mind research findings that suggest effective banner ads are simple, focused, and clear about a product's benefit. Most effective banners make use of a striking image and emphasize a palette of rich, powerful colors. The enormous popularity of video sites such as YouTube has inspired advertisers to place special video commercials on the web. These are often called viral ads because they rely on web users to spread messages to others. But viral includes more than digital video. Matthew Yeoman, writing for the Jeff Bullis blog, defines viral marketing as the rapid sharing of an idea, where a portion of this idea contains a marketing message about buying a product or service. Bottom line, understand your audience. Engage, go big.